For centuries, we believed we knew our neighborhood. We mapped the rocky inner planets, marveled at the gas giants, and eventually discovered the icy reaches of the Kuiper Belt. We thought the map of our solar system was complete. But in recent years, a gravitational ghost has been haunting the edges of our charts. Something massive, perhaps 10 times the weight of Earth, is lurking in the deep, dark freeze far beyond Neptune. It is so distant that it takes 20,000 years to complete a single orbit, yet its invisible hand is tugging on everything we can see. This is the hunt for the phantom of the dark. This is video 41, ***, the search for Planet 9. Is there a hidden giant in our solar system? The story of Planet 9 doesn't begin with a telescope, but with a math problem. In 2014, astronomers noticed something strange about the most distant objects in our solar system, tiny, icy worlds known as extreme trans-Neptunian objects. These rocks are so far away that they should be drifting in random directions, scattered by the gravity of the known planets. But they aren't. Instead, their orbits are clumped together, all tilted in the same direction and pointing toward the same region of space. The odds of this happening by chance are less than 0.007%. It was like seeing a dozen compasses all pointing north in a room where there shouldn't be a magnet. In 2016, researchers at Caltech, Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown, the man famous for killing Pluto, proposed a startling explanation. The only thing that could keep these distant objects in line is the gravity of a massive unseen planet. They called it Planet 9. If Planet 9 exists, it is unlike anything else in our system. It's likely a super-Earth or a mini-Neptune, a type of planet that is incredibly common around other stars but strangely missing from our own. It would be a world of ice and rock, shrouded in a thick atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. But because it is so far from the Sun, 20 times further than Neptune, it receives almost no light. At that distance, the Sun would look like just another bright star in a pitch-black sky. It is a world of eternal twilight and absolute zero. But if it's so big, why haven't we found it yet? The scale of the search area is staggering. Searching for Planet 9 is like looking for a single black marble hidden in a massive darkened stadium. Because it's so far away, it moves incredibly slowly across the sky, making it hard to distinguish from the billions of background stars. Furthermore, its orbit is likely highly elliptical, meaning it could be at its furthest point right now, making it thousands of times dimmer than it would be at its closest approach. We are using the world's most powerful eyes to hunt this ghost. Astronomers have spent years scanning data from the WISE satellite and the Pan-STARRS observatory. They are looking for a tiny moving dot that doesn't fit the pattern. But the real game changer is coming in 2025. The *** Vera C. Rubin Observatory *** in Chile, equipped with the world's largest digital camera, will begin its legacy survey of space and time. It will take a motion picture of the entire sky every few nights. If Planet 9 is out there, the Rubin Observatory is the trap most likely to catch it. There is, however, a more radical theory. Some physicists suggest that the great attractor at the edge of our system isn't a planet at all. They believe it could be ***, primordial black hole ***, a tiny, ancient black hole the size of a grapefruit, but with the mass of 10 Earths, left over from the very first second of the Big Bang. If this is true, we will never see it with a light telescope. We would have to look for the way it warps the light of distant stars behind it, a phenomenon called microlensing, or send a fleet of tiny laser-powered probes to feel its gravitational pull. But where did Planet 9 come from? If it's a planet, it shouldn't be there. The outer solar system is too empty to have formed something so large. Astronomers have two main theories. The first is that it was a core rejection, a planet that formed near Jupiter and Saturn but was violently kicked out into the suburbs during a gravitational tug-of-war billions of years ago. The second theory is even more exotic. Planet 9 might be an alien. It could be an exoplanet that our sun stole from another star as they passed each other in a crowded stellar nursery billions of years ago. The discovery of Planet 9 would be the greatest astronomical event of the century. It would rewrite our textbooks and change our understanding of how solar systems form and evolve. It would mean that we have a neighbor we've lived next to for 4 billion years without ever saying hello. It would prove that the solar system doesn't end at the Kuiper Belt, but stretches out much further than we ever dared to dream. The search for Planet 9 is a testament to human persistence. It shows that even in an age of high-tech satellites and AI-driven data, the universe still has secrets hidden in its shadows. We are like detectives following a trail of breadcrumbs across the dark, trustingly following the laws of gravity to lead us to the truth. We are looking for a world that has never seen a sunrise as we know it, a silent giant guarding the gates of the interstellar void. As we look up at the stars tonight, remember that the map of our home is still being drawn. There may be a massive icy world out there right now, moving silently through the deep freeze, carrying the secrets of our system's birth. We are getting closer every day. The dark is starting to give up its ghosts. Thank you for joining us for Video 41. The hunt for the unknown is what keeps our species moving forward. If you enjoyed this journey to the edge of the solar system, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We have many more mysteries to solve, from the spooky links of quantum entanglement to the ultimate fate of the first atoms. Until next time, keep your eyes on the horizon. Trust in the math, and remember, the most important things in the universe are often the ones we haven't seen yet. Safe travels through the magnificent, mysterious cosmos.